Once you get your PneuTrac out of the box, bring it up, take your stop out of the existing track, will be on each end will be a stop. Remove it with a hex wrench. Set that aside, put it parallel to your track, put the wheels in the track, walk it down, you stop there, put your stop back in, retighten, and you come on down. I'll show you how to put the air system on to the air compressor and the vest system. When you get your compressor out of the box, you'll have air hose included in the package, of course. All you got to do is push in snugly. That's all you need to do. No wrenches needed for that. Then the other end, at your control center, which you'll mount at a convenient place in your clinic. The same kind of fitting. All you got to do is take the air hose and push up very snugly, and you're done. Okay.
Once we have the air hooked up to the bottom of the control panel, our next step will be to plug in the coupler fitting. So in order to do that, we simply slide this ring down.
Stop.
Over here, click, release the ring. Now this system is locked in. So then we will turn the air on from our compressor so we have air to the control panel. Then in order to activate the system, all we have to do is, with the regulator knob pulled out, we will turn clockwise. Now we can see the arrow on the gauge coming up. On the outside scale will indicate how many pounds we've removed. When we have the system interlinked, as we pull down, we see the arrow climb up, and then we will see the pressure bleed off and hear the pressure bleed off through our control regulator. So in here, we have a dynamic mode which would allow us to go up and down stairs, go up, go down to any height we want, as long as we have the height below our PneuTrac. So with this point now, I can take more weight off, so I can pick somebody fully up, or I can use the knob to let somebody back down or to put more weight back under their feet. In the same mode, with this operational, I can depress this same ring, hook this to the back of the vest. Now we have the air locked in the system, much like our safety mode or balance mode on our new weight systems. So now, if I come down, the air is not escaping through the system. The needle doesn't move, but it's going to let me down until it balances the force that I'm pulling down with. So I can go up and I can go down in limited range. So, for example, I can come up onto the treadmill and it's still picking me up. I can come back down, it's still picking me up. In order to let somebody out of this, I either have to reconnect my airline through this to go back to the regulator mode, or I have a safety release button on here that I can depress. Hear the air escaping. Now we will let somebody back down in the same fashion. In order to take weight off again now, I need to come back into this system. So I'm going to dial this back down to 0 weight removed. Once again, depress my collar, engage in this fashion. Now I'm back to the starting point.